Hello guys, so today we are going to create an interactive sign-up form with HTML, CSS and vanilla JS. So here I have this form with progress bar in the top which have a default width of 33.33% with light blue color, and we have first input field here, and when we click on this arrow button in the bottom of the page we are going to access next input field, and then we have back button as well here in the bottom which allow us to go back and make changes. And finally, when we have final input, then we can submit the form as well. So without wasting time, open your text editor and follow me. So here I have basic HTML structure with a CDN link to font awesome library. So now inside of body we are going to create form, progress bar and buttons. So first of all we are going to create a progress bar which is a div with the ID progress bar, and inside of this progress bar we have another div with the class progress, and after that we have our form. Remove this action, and inside of this form we have a div with the class item, and inside of this first of all we have a label. So what is the name, and then we have input, type text and placeholder full name, and then we have autocomplete to false. So now copy this div and paste it 2 times and replace this name with email, here text with email, here placeholder with email as well. So now same for this password, instead of text it should be password, and placeholder it should be password. So we don't need this autocomplete in password input, so remove this. So now we need these buttons for our form. So here I'm going to create buttons. So I have div with an ID actions, and inside of this we have 2 buttons. So button type button, and then class we are using the font awesome, so fa dash arrow dash right. So first one is left, and we have another class that is pre-rev, that is previous, and after that we have next. Okay, so remove this pre-rev and type next, and instead of left we have right. So now refresh your page. So as you can see we have 3 input fields and these 2 buttons. Okay, so one thing we forget here is our submit button. So we are going to create the submit button inside of the div. So button which have a type of submit, then we have sign up here. Okay, so this is the basic HTML structure for our interactive sign-up form. So that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture we are going to create an styling for our sign-up form. Okay, so thank you, see you in the next lecture.